Well, believe it or not, we got a lot of the stuff done last part. Just waiting for the bread to rise one last time. I probably get everything done tonight. And then the pies. I basically sweat my butt off. But like I said, no TV. The girls had a good time. You guys want to see some of the pie shells that we're waiting on? We're going to fill those up. And then the bread is in the back. So anyway, appreciate everybody joining us tonight. I will have a couple live, or no matter what, I'll make sure everybody can see us putting the bread in. Gracie will probably fall asleep by then, but I will also show Gracie getting these strawberry. It's it's one of my aunt's recipes along with my mom's. I'm not doing the rhubarb one right now. There was no fresh rhubarb anywhere, but I did look. And hopefully tomorrow I can make a few more loaves of bread for friends and family, but I'm going to put all this in tonight. I probably should get some more bread tins, you know. I do like those red ones I got. So anyway, I appreciate everybody tonight. Know that you matter. Know that you're important. There's nothing I tell anybody that I myself am not willing to do or not have already done. So like I said, sometimes it's fun just to and I have fun with that, you know. And guess what? I keep hyper. And if you notice, we went from 6 o'clock tonight all the way till 12. No TV, just kids having fun. Pounding down bread, you know, getting everything right, doing one thing after the other, keeping everything clean. Still got a few more dishes to clean and make the strawberries. So I just want you all to know that each and every one of you matter. Each and every one of you are awesome. I appreciate you guys joining us off and on tonight because, like I said, doing 2 projects at once takes a lot. But I can still keep going. Gracie went and got a shower. She had flour all over it. I didn't throw any flour on anybody this time, though, even though I probably should have. Hey, Linda. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go back and watch the beatdown of the bread. I tell you what, that's my fun. That's the fun part with me. It's a lot of you can take out a lot of aggression. You can have a lot of fun. Everybody's like, I don't want to hit the bread. And like I said, the more you beat it down, the higher it rises. But do that with bread and have fun with it. You know, the whole idea is to have fun with your kids. Do different projects. My mom and grandma's, I loved making cookies with my grandma's. I love making bread and stuff with my mom. My aunts, everybody else. The one thing I've never made is brown bread, which I will. So in a few minutes we'll get started again just to finish off the pies because then I got to get them in the fridge so that they set. And then the bread's got to go in. Once the bread's in, it only takes 20 minutes in the oven. I'm only going to put a couple in at a time and then take them out and the whole house will smell like fresh bread. So anyway, I will talk with everybody later. Thanks for watching tonight. And we still have a few more things, but I know people are going to go to bed and probably watch in the morning. So anyway, thanks everybody. Have a good one.